Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our factory. We are Xinfeng Machinery Equipment Limited Company. We mainly produce automatic breeding equipment such as chicken cage, feeding machine, egg collection and grading machine, manure removal machine, and environmental control system of chicken house.
We are established in 2050 and located in the middle area of China, Henan province. We dedicated to the R&D, design, manufacturing, marketing, and installation of poultry cage systems. We have exported our products to more than 50 countries over the past 10 years. We are looking forward to building a new standardized automatic poultry farm with you.